the way it does, it kind of goes like this, but it makes it where all the cells go at the bottom. We have cells here. We don't know if they're dead or alive, so we're going to proceed with the experiment. Excuse me, sir. And we're going to remove the medium from this. Is that loopy?
Yeah.
Stefan, do you have remote access to Rutgers? Like, could you get a paper for me?
Like a journal?
Yeah.
Yeah, if I have, yeah, we usually have access to like some journals. Just email me and I'll give you my email.
I got it.
Oh, you got it, that's right. And then just email it to me and I can look it up for you.
That'd be cool.
We do see a pellet.
Is it a laced pellet or is it a...
I don't know. But there has been situations that I've done tissue culture, and just because the pellet's on the side doesn't mean it's dead. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna actually see what the deal is. And I was telling Abraham how we can actually visualize if we have cells that are live. If you have a cover slip, I can put a drop on there and we can just look under the microscope. And that way we can actually visualize.
I can get you some.
That's perfect. Yeah, and then that'll be it, man. And we'll see. Alright. But I think that might be it, Abraham. That might be the way that you can actually check, alright? So what you might have to do after you trypsinize them is you might have to actually, I don't remember if every time I forget that I didn't add tips, I just go in. It's better to just use an extra tip than to contaminate all your cells. So I'm going to take a mill, and that pellet that I saw, I'm going to resuspend in this mill. And the pellet is here, so I'll just take it. I did see some cells, so I'll just pipette up and down with this. These pipettes are fairly new, huh? They feel really new.
We get them refurbished,
calibrated. Yeah, they're really nice. Ours are really good. So
Yeah.
I'll take that.
These are dirty, but I mean
It don't matter, man.
they're not dirty, but
I just want to see if there's cells on there. So then I'm just going to take them.
yeah, I don't know why we didn't think about that earlier. That's simple.
Yeah, that's the best way to do it, brother. And that way, I mean, this actually might work. And that way, even if you don't have the appropriate microscope, this can circumvent that problem. You can actually do that. So let's get rid of all the trash. All the trash. Like I said, I'm gonna screw this on. We don't need this anymore. And I'll get the other plate. I'm gonna label. I'll just label this 1,000 RPM. Is that RPM or G?
It's RPM.
Alright. And then I'll label the other one 830 or something like that. So I'll do 830 and then we can compare them, man. And we actually can use another microscope to do that. And then what I'm going to do...
For that we can use this one.
Yeah, exactly. And what I'll do, man, I'll think of some... Avron, email me and think of some things that you might want to do experimental. And like I said, we can work on that. And our goal is to try to at least get you guys some science stuff, some kind of experiments before you go on the summer break. Okay? So we got this. And cover slips. Cool. Got some. Label these 850. This is 1,000. Always put RPM. You know what it is. It's like doing math. You have to have kind of label of units of what you're doing. What I'll do. Maybe I'll take a drop.
Wow, if this thing ever breaks, it's not very fixed.
That's insane, dude. That's probably mad expensive too. Just
Yeah.
motorized like that.
The microscope probably itself was 15, I'd say.
15.
And all the other stuff.
15 grand?
Yeah.
Dang.
Well, I'm guessing.
Nah, that makes sense, man. You know, science stuff is overpriced. You know that.
Yeah. Oh man, there's a company, you know Bio-Rad.
Yeah.
They'll take, so here's what they'll do. They'll take their reagents,
Mm-hmm.
they'll package them for teachers, and then they'll sell them even more expensive.
Wow. I mean, you think that should be the opposite for teachers, right?
I hate them.
That's crazy, man.
That's why I had I had some students reverse engineer some of their primers.
Uh huh.
And we well, we can't distribute them anyway, but
That's pretty slick, though. I mean, because that's kind of crazy they would charge